Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is April 10th and we are looking at the chart of the Nasdaq 60 minutes time frame here, guys. Short cycle. So we can see the market starts to recover nicely after all the war news in the past few weeks. Here we can see we finished with Y of 2. So this with 2 here, intermediate degree, sorry, this is the intermediate degree. It was in the form, the subdivision was in the form of a double correction or double 3WXY. So completed here. So that means we are now rallying within this width 3 here, right? Within width 3, then we are still in the process of forming a 5-ways up in the lower degree here. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the time it finishes the 5 in blue later on, that will only finish 1 in black, and then 2 in black to correct this entire rally, then rally again in 3 in black, right? So let's zoom out to give you some ideas, and also I'm going to give you some alternates and what you can watch over to improve the chance and the probability. Okay, so if I zoom out, first of all, on the daily time frame, we're going to focus on this Y of 2 here. Okay, so here's the daily time frame. The Y of 2 is right here on the daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see, if I zoom out a little bit more, this 2 here, if this is a 2, where's the 1? Well, the 1 is right here, right? And then as I mentioned before, the 2 is in the form of a WXY. If this is the Y, where's the W and the X? Well, the W and the X is right here, right? So this, I mean, even without seeing the higher time frame, if you understand the concept, you can actually kind of guess where the positions are, right? And now, of course, we have a complete count in our member area, right? If you like to see on the higher time frame, all time frames. All right, so this width 2 here basically is a correction of width 1. So where's width 1? Well, this is your width 1 here, which is the rally starting from April 2025. So it completed back in October 2025. Now you can see here this rally happened exactly from this is a clear 1, 2, 3, right? There's no question, no doubt this is a 1, 2, 3. It's not a 5-ways impulse. You've seen the extension of this WXY. So you can see the what we call the third leg. The third leg is the Y leg. It did not have any extension to 161.8. Again, sort of improving the chance, improving the odds that this is not a 1, 2, 3, but this is actually a corrective structure. Now, just by understanding this structure alone, guys, you can conclude for the time being this is still a bullish market, right? Because a lot of people start speculating, oh, this is the top, oh, this is major top in the indices. It's not. Basically, it's telling you the correction, the structure is still corrective, and then it bounces, it rallies from where it is supposed to rally, right? So news sometimes can be very misleading. It drives you emotion, you know, everybody using whatever it is, the news and so on. But price action never lie. Price action is what it is, right? So price action basically contains all kind of information that affects this entire market, and it is the truth because that's the price action, right? So it doesn't lie. So so we can argue about whatever news war is going to make collapse, but if the price action rally, then the price action is telling the truth. All right, guys, so what happens now? So since we are finished with the wave 2 and then now rallying, we still at this point in time needs to break above this previous peak. But again, nonetheless, if you understand the concept and you only trade in what we call the extreme area, if you are only trading in the extreme area right here, this is the extreme area, 3 swings from the peak, then you see the rally here. Basically with this rally, you basically is already risk free. You already move your stop loss, you already take partial profit, you can do whatever you want. You have no risk by this time, right? If you are trading correctly. But now, since we are in the middle, that's the different story, right? Now I can show you what the forecast is, but we are no longer in the extreme area, therefore the odds are not the same. So here we need to break above this peak to confirm this is really the end of these three swings down, right? Because otherwise the other alternate is that if it fails to break the new high, we can become even a bigger WXY. So what is a bigger WXY looks like? Well, a bigger WXY looks like this. You put the W here, you put the X here, and then if it fails, then you can do like this in the Y, right? And the Y should be in three swings, so it will technically look something like this, right? Something like this. So this will be the alternate. If it does not break the new high, we come even a bigger WXY. Now in that case, again, we should be able to find support right here. Same idea. We should have no extension on the Y. So between 100%, 161.8% of the W, we should be able to get some support. Okay, and this is even better. I mean, the odds are pretty high. Why? Because the W is a clear three swings. So that means if this is a clear three swing, then it makes it more likely that this is not going to collapse, because this is corrective. So this needs to be also gentle corrective correction, and should find support from here for either the new high, or again it's a decent rally again, something like this. So a reaction of a three swings rally to correct this entire structure in case it turns lower. Okay, now if you look at the lower cycle, we're calling this 1, 2, right? But I could have called this ABC, and then we finish ABC, and then starting to sell off again, right? An alternate. And if it sells off again, this is ABC sell off, this will be an account. Now, but then how would you know which one? Well, it's kind of easy, guys. I think if you can get a complete 5 waves from the lows, so if you really can get 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, that will increase the odds that you will have an extension instead of ABC. You will have an extension against 22,961. So if we can see a 5 waves from the lows, now okay, after we finish 5, we will get a 3 pullback like this. But if you can see a clear 5 waves, it will increase the odds this 3 pullback is going to hold above 22,961 for the upside. But if you already see a sell-off like this without seeing a 5 waves, then I think this alternate here, it can still happen, right? So you have to be always wary of this alternate as long as you don't yet see a 5 waves from the lows. And then the other thing here, this wave 3 here, if you can see the extension reaching 1.618 of the 1, because right now we don't have any extension, you can see the 1.618 will be 25,930, right? If we can reach 25,930 only on your wave 3, that will also increase the odds that this is actually going to become 5 waves. But as of now, we're looking to finish with the third leg or wave 3, and that wave 3 does not have an extension to 1.618, which is fine, right? But because it does not reach 1.618, you have to be aware of possibility this is just an ABC, right? So I give you two short-term observation that can improve the chance that this is going to extend ahead. Number one, if your wave 3 reaches here, which is at the moment this is not what we are calling, but if we continue to go up to reach this one only to end wave 3, it will increase the odds that this is a 5 waves. It will increase the odds we're going to continue to go higher and hold. That's number one. Number two, if you don't see wave 3 reaching 1.618, but if you see a clear 5 waves up, so for now we only have 3 waves, but if you can see 4 and a 5, so even if wave 3 does not reach 1.618, if you can see a 5 waves from the low, it will also increase the chance after it ends 5 ways and it drops, that drop will hold above 22,961 for further upside. Okay, so those are the two short-term observations. And then before you observe any of those two, then the option that this is actually just an ABC and drop into a bigger double correction remains possible. All right, so that's the update here, guys. And if you want to get more updates or learn more about Elliott Wave, feel free to check our service. Again, we have 14 days trial. You can check the link in the description. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.